Designing an Enchanting Open Lawn, Interior Tips by Aarti Rajput, Interior Designer. Welcome to our vlog, where we delve into the world of interior design to help you create a captivating open lawn that seamlessly blends nature and design. In this video, we will be sharing insightful tips curated by renowned interior designer Aarti Rajput. Her expertise and creative vision will guide you in transforming your open lawn into a picturesque retreat that reflects your personal style and invites relaxation. 1. Define functional zones. Aarti Rajput emphasizes the importance of defining functional zones within your open lawn. Consider how you envision using the space, whether for lounging, dining, or recreation. Divide the lawn into distinct areas using hedges, pavers, or furniture arrangements. This creates a sense of purpose and organization while optimizing the available space. 2. Strategic seating arrangements. To create a welcoming and comfortable atmosphere, Aarti Rajput recommends incorporating various seating options in your open lawn. Arrange outdoor sofas, chairs, and benches to encourage conversation and relaxation. Additionally, consider adding outdoor dining furniture for alfresco meals and gatherings with friends and family. 3. Incorporate natural elements. Open lawns provide the perfect opportunity to embrace nature. Aarti Rajput suggests incorporating natural elements such as lush greenery, flowers, and ornamental plants. Introduce vertical gardens, flower beds, or potted plants strategically to add texture, color, and a sense of serenity to the space. 4. Outdoor lighting. Extend the usability of your open lawn into the evening hours by incorporating outdoor lighting. Aarti Rajput recommends a combination of ambient lighting, such as string lights or lanterns, and task lighting, such as pathway lights or spotlights. Properly placed lighting enhances the ambience, adds a touch of magic, and ensures safety in the outdoor space. 5. Functional outdoor structures. Consider incorporating functional structures into your open lawn design. Aarti Rajput suggests adding pergolas, gazebos, or outdoor umbrellas to provide shade and create designated areas for relaxation or outdoor dining. These structures not only serve a practical purpose but also add architectural interest to the overall design. Conclusion. By implementing these interior tips shared by Aarti Rajput, you can transform your open lawn into a serene oasis that seamlessly blends with nature. Each element, from functional zoning to strategic seating arrangements and the incorporation of natural elements, contributes to a harmonious outdoor experience. For more interior design inspiration and to explore Aarti Rajput's portfolio, visit her website at www.aartigallery.com. Discover the limitless possibilities and create